How to set up payment gateways in Zoho Books. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you're on your Zoho Books, and the next would be heading over to the top of your screen and clicking on the settings or the gear icon. Now you want to locate payment gateways. It's under online payments. Now tap on it. Now there's so many options here you can go with, but for today I'm just going to go with PayPal. Now to begin the process, you want to tap on setup now. Now you want to click on continue after making sure your email and your country is correct. Now you need some sort of verification, so I'm going to tap on get a code, but you can also try another way. Now you want to go ahead and add the code you got on the number you used to open the PayPal. Now guys, you need a business PayPal to be able to connect this on Zoho. So I'm going to get started on changing my personal account into a business PayPal. Now you want to go ahead and select the option that describes you best, either an individual seller or a business. Now go ahead and tap on let's go, and then over here you have the option of creating a new business account or converting your personal account, and I chose to convert my personal account. Now you want to go ahead and fill in the details over here and then tap on let's go when you are done. Now PayPal wants to know more about your business organization, so you want to go ahead and give them the info they would like to know. And when you are done putting in the details that they need, you want to click on agree and convert account. Now go ahead and allow Zoho have the permission it needs to connect with your PayPal account. And guys, as you can see, you are all set and you are done with creating a pathway. So I'm just going to tap return back to Zoho, and guys, you are all set to receive online payments. And this is exactly how to set up payment gateways in Zoho Books. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.